Yo, what is up everybody, it's your name, and we're about to dive into the 15 best vacation spots in the USA. From coast to coast, we're gonna hit up spots that'll make you wanna pack your bags and jump on the next flight out. Whether you're all about chasing thrills, soaking up the sun, or diving into some serious culture, this list has got something for everyone. So buckle up, get ready for some serious travel inspiration, and let's discover where your next adventure begins. First up, we're heading straight to the heart of the Pacific, to the island of Maui. Picture this, you, waking up to the sound of waves crashing on the shore, the smell of salty air, and the sun rising over volcanic peaks. This place is pure paradise, with beaches that stretch on forever, lush rainforests begging to be explored, and a laid-back vibe that'll instantly melt your stress away. We're talking about legendary spots like Ka'anapali Beach, with its world-famous sunsets and epic surfing. Maui is a place that gets under your skin, that stays with you long after you've left. From the islands, we're switching gears completely and heading to the rugged heart of Arizona, the Grand Canyon. This isn't just a hole in the ground, people. This is a natural wonder that'll blow your mind wide open. Imagine standing on the edge of a canyon so vast, so deep it seems to stretch on forever. Hiking trails wind their way down to the canyon floor, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Whether you're an avid hiker or just looking for a view that'll take your breath away, the Grand Canyon is a destination that needs to be on your radar. From the vastness of the Grand Canyon, we're teleporting to New York City. This city is a whirlwind of energy, a melting pot of cultures. Car horns, street food, skyscrapers reaching for the sky, iconic landmarks like the Empire State Building, Times Square, Central Park, hidden alleyways, hole-in-the-wall restaurants capture the city's soul. New York City is calling your name. Hold on tight, we're leaving the urban jungle behind and heading to the high desert of Arizona, to a place called Sedona. It's like stepping into another world, a world of towering red rock formations, mystical energy vortexes, and a vibe that's equal parts adventurous and spiritual. Imagine hiking through canyons carved by ancient rivers, the sun setting over the red rocks, painting the sky in 1,000 shades of orange and purple. Sedona is a hiker's paradise, with trails for every skill level, from leisurely walks to challenging climbs. But Sedona is more than just a pretty face. So if you're looking for a destination that nourishes both the body and soul, Sedona is calling. Next up, we're venturing into the heart of the American West, to a place where the earth feels truly alive, Yellowstone National Park. This ain't your average national park, folks. This is a geothermal wonderland, a place where geysers erupt from the ground, hot springs bubble and steam, and bison roam free. Old Faithful, the park's most famous geyser, erupts like clockwork, sending a plume of hot water high into the air. But Yellowstone is more than just geysers and hot springs. Just remember, this is their home, so be respectful, keep your distance and admire these creatures from afar. Hold on tight because we're heading back to the coast, to the city by the Bay, San Francisco. This city has it all: iconic landmarks, charming neighborhoods, a thriving food scene, and a spirit of innovation. No trip is complete without visiting the Golden Gate Bridge. Walk, bike, or drive across it, and capture that iconic photo. Explore Haight-Ashbury, ride the cable cars, and indulge in fresh seafood at Fisherman's Wharf. Experience the magic of San Francisco. Alright, get ready to party, because we're heading to the entertainment capital of the world, Las Vegas. This city is a sensory overload in the best way possible, a place where anything goes and the party never stops. Neon lights, casinos that stretch as far as the eye can see, world-class shows. This is a city that's designed to indulge your every whim. You can try your luck at the roulette wheel, catch a Cirque du Soleil show, or dance the night away at one of the city's mega clubs. But Las Vegas is more than just gambling and nightlife. So if you're looking for a vacation that's all about letting loose, living it up, and experiencing the unexpected, Las Vegas is calling your name. Get ready for some serious sunshine and Latin vibes because we're heading south to Miami. This city is a melting pot of cultures, with a distinctly Cuban influence that's evident in everything from the food to the music. Picture yourself strolling down Ocean Drive, palm trees swaying in the breeze, the smell of Cuban coffee in the air, Art Deco architecture all around you. Miami is all about embracing the good life, soaking up the sun on those pristine beaches, and dancing the night away to a Latin beat. So pack your swimsuit, your dancing shoes, and your appetite, because Miami is ready to show you a good time. Get ready for a sensory overload because we're heading to the Big Easy, New Orleans. This city is a feast for the senses, a place where the history comes alive, the music never stops, and the food is out of this world. Walk down Bourbon Street, the heart of the French Quarter, and you'll be greeted by the sounds of jazz, the smell of beignets, and a kaleidoscope of colors and characters. New Orleans is a city that knows how to party, and Mardi Gras is the ultimate celebration. But even if you're not here for Mardi Gras, there's always a reason to celebrate in New Orleans. So come hungry, come curious, and get ready to experience the magic of New Orleans. Get ready for some deep dish pizza and breathtaking architecture because we're heading to the Windy City, Chicago. This city on the shores of Lake Michigan is a vibrant mix of big city excitement and Midwestern charm. Explore Millennium Park, home to the iconic Cloud Gate sculpture also known as the Bean, or stroll along the Magnificent Mile, a shopper's paradise. From the blues clubs of the West Loop to the street art of Pilsen, Chicago is a city that's constantly evolving and reinventing itself, so come hungry, come curious, and get ready to experience the energy of Chicago. Aloha and welcome to Honolulu, the vibrant capital of Hawaii. This tropical paradise is a melting pot of cultures where the aloha spirit is alive and well. Picture yourself lounging on Waikiki Beach, the iconic stretch of sand lined with swaying palm trees, or learning to surf in the gentle waves. Explore the historic Pearl Harbor, a poignant reminder of World War II, or hike to the top of Diamond Head for panoramic views of the city and coastline. Honolulu is a city that embraces its history while looking towards the future, with a vibrant arts and culture scene that celebrates the island's unique heritage. So come hungry, come with an open mind, and get ready to experience the aloha spirit of Honolulu. Get ready for a wild ride because we're heading to the theme park capital of the world, Orlando. This city is a dream come true for kids of all ages with enough roller coasters, water parks, and character meet and greets to keep you entertained for weeks. From the magic of Walt Disney World to the thrills of Universal Studios, Orlando is a place where imagination runs wild. Orlando has something for everyone, whether you're looking for adrenaline-pumping adventures or a laid-back vacation. So, come hungry, come with an open mind, and get ready to experience the magic of Orlando. Get ready to step back in time because we're heading to the nation's capital, Washington, D.C. This city is a living museum, home to iconic monuments, world-renowned museums, and a sense of history that's palpable on every corner. Visit the White House, the Lincoln Memorial, the Washington Monument, and the countless other memorials and monuments that pay tribute to America's past. Explore the city's vibrant neighborhoods, from the trendy shops and restaurants of Georgetown to the international flair of Adams Morgan. Visit the National Mall, a sprawling green space that's home to museums, memorials, and plenty of space to relax and soak up the atmosphere. So come hungry, come curious, and get ready to experience the history and culture of Washington, D.C. Get ready for some Hollywood glamour because we're heading to the City of Angels, Los Angeles. This sprawling metropolis is a place where dreams are made and sometimes broken. Visit the Hollywood Walk of Fame, stroll along Rodeo Drive, and hike to the Hollywood sign for panoramic views. Explore the beachy vibes of Santa Monica and the hipster haven of Silver Lake. Visit world-class museums like the Getty Center or catch a show at the Hollywood Bowl. Get ready to experience the energy and excitement of Los Angeles. Get ready to hit the slopes because we're heading to the Rocky Mountains, to the world-renowned ski resort town of Aspen. This place is a winter wonderland, with powdery slopes, breathtaking scenery, and a charming town center that's perfect for opera ski drinks and cozy dinners. Whether you're an experienced skier or a first-timer, Aspen has something for everyone. In the summer, the mountains come alive with hiking trails, mountain biking paths, and stunning wildflowers. Explore the Maroon Bells, two of the most photographed peaks in North America, or take a scenic gondola ride to the top of Aspen Mountain for breathtaking views. So come hungry, come with an adventurous spirit, and get ready to experience the beauty and excitement of Aspen. So there you have it, folks, the 15 best vacation spots in the USA. From beaches to mountains, cities to deserts, there's something for everyone in this amazing country. I hope this video has inspired you to get out there and explore all that the USA has to offer. Which of these destinations are you adding to your bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. Until next time, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep those adventures coming. Peace out.